Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your and your person's energies towards each other. So this is what they are thinking about you, what they are thinking about the relationship, what are the obstacles and the probable outcome of the situation. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. All right, and yeah, let's see. What's coming up for my Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign? Sagittarius and their person from 10th of January till 16th of January. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right, let's get started with your reading now. Okay, so how do they see you as? They see you as a Six of Cups, Sagittarius. It feels like they really want to reconcile. And if this was a love thing before, or if this is just a friendship thing between both of you, it's more likely they want to come up and they want to take this relationship to the next level. Yeah, they are really they are trying to look what you're doing, and they're stalking you a lot in social media as well, and they are really trying to find information what you're doing, where you are going, whether you they even are trying to ask people around you that what do you feel about them. So they are asking people as well. So yeah, they really want to take this relationship, or if this is just a friendship, they want to take it to the next level. And if it was a relationship in which you were involved, they want to reconcile, and they are really stalking you really hard. What do you feel about them with the Three of Cups? So I feel that somewhere, let me clarify, because there are two things which are coming up in my mind. Let me clarify it. Okay, so I feel that yeah, they I don't know whether you both are in talking terms or not, whether you both are have started for again, like going out on date, not date, but as friends also, like going out and having fun and celebration. They feel somewhere, I don't know, but one thing is, I really feel that there is something you feel about this person as a person who has cheated on you. I don't know why I'm saying this, but this is coming up to me. Uh, you really feel that that this person has cheated on you, or now you are finding it really a lot of strength you have built upon and build up, and you feel that you are not going to go back to this person somewhere. If this is a third party thing you have ever dealt with, so this is for definitely for those people. I don't feel that this is for everyone. Okay, if you have gone through this kind of a situation, so yeah, that is why this person wants to reconcile with you, because they feel now that it's like uh, nothing with you now. They are really wanting to come back to you, Sagittarius. And I feel that you have become very strong now. Okay, so how do they see this relationship as with the Two of Pentacles? They feel that they're quite juggling. Although they want to come back to you, but they have not settled the relationship with the past, with the other person also, with whom they are dealing with. Okay, so they are really in that juggling state where they are ready to come to you if you will say yes, because they are not ending that other relationship as well, because they feel that if you say no, and if they will say no to that person also, so where will they go? So you're getting what I mean. So this is more like a person who is really juggling, and they're just waiting for you to say yes, then they will say no to them. Yeah, the Emperor. So they should be taking a decision now, but they are really waiting for you to take a decision. Wow, so they have actually, the ball is in your court, Sagittarius, at present. How do you see the relationship with the Seven of Cups? So you also feel that you are not only the one, you are saying to your person that you are not only the one who is coming towards me. I have a lot of opportunities and I have a lot of options which I am going through right now. And yeah, you are not waiting. You have become very strong, and now people are wanting you, Sagittarius. So yeah, you are saying no to this person. This is the rejection card which is coming up in my reading. You are saying no to this person. They are literally mad for coming back to you. The obstacle which they feel with the death energy, the star. The star and the death energy has come together, so it feels like, again I would say, a reconciliation is definitely there. They feel that why the relationship, the obstacle was the ending of the relationship, the end which you might have done this ending with them, and that is why they want to reconcile. And they feel that whatever happened, it shouldn't be happening again, and they are sorry, I feel. Yeah, they are sorry. Okay, I really am getting a very strong Sagittarius here. I don't know who that is, but this person is like, no, no matter you are coming back to me, no, go back to that person with whom you were before. I'm not going to accept you. You are saying no to this person. Okay, so obstacle which you felt that has come, that was there in the relationship. Why this obstacle is there? It's this, with the Ace of Wands, I feel that this is the new relationship, and yeah, I am definitely sure about it. Ace of Cups, sorry, Ace of Wands with the Two of Wands. Yeah, so the obstacle for you is the third person which came in between both of you, and you say that to them that, this person came all of a sudden, you had that fire energies and you have that passion. So much with that person, so go back to that same person only. So they became the, what, Sagittarius, the one thing is similar in them. They were juggling then, they were trying, they were in the crossroads then, and they are juggling again in the present as well. So there, nothing has been changed, although they want you back, but they are not ready to say bye to them as well, because they feel their options will decrease if you they will just come to you. So yeah, you are dealing with I don't know what kind of a person I would say. Okay, so with the Queen of Pentacles, this is their action towards this relationship, or towards the situation. They are really stubborn right now. They really do not want to go back. I think they do not even have told the other person with whom they were dealing with, or other than you, that they're wanting you back, and they are cheating them as well. So this is more like a person's energy which is coming to me, who is trying to balance both the energies, both the people, and they are wanting you, but they are wanting you more. That is definite. That is why they are coming back. They are sorry, they want to come back, but again they are doing the same thing to them which they did to you. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune. I am really getting a vibe of, okay, Page of Pentacles is there. So your action is, you are watching them, Sagittarius. You are watching them. You are finding that how really dying they are for you. Are they really dying for you? Are they really they will just sit down on their knees and they will literally say sorry in front of so many people? So you want something big, you want something huge. Yeah, that if you're sorry, say it from the heart, not from the mouth. And you are waiting for something big, I would say, again. So, but I do not see any commitment from your side, Sagittarius, here. Let's see the probable outcome. It is the 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands, what's that? 10 of Wands, probable outcome with the Lovers. Oh my God. So is the reconciliation happening? What is this? What is this? The back of the deck I got the devil. So we have devil and lovers both at the same time. It's like now you are at a crossroads. Somewhere you have said no, but when this person will literally is not going to let go of you, it will become really hard. So wait for the time which is coming up, because something is coming up towards you, Sagittarius, because this person is not turning their back. Okay, so that's all from my side. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.